Fikile Mbalula, the ANC Secretary General, has responded to the ongoing Madlanga Commission and the testimony about the individual called Brown Mokhotsi. Listen to this clip.
The next thing, boom, we're being shouted about Brown Mokhotsi. Who's this guy? He speaks about the ANC like he's a tried and he even sent me a message here. He sent me a message. I don't know where does he get my number. I don't care. I won't respond to him. He's not a member of the ANC. He's not. To answer your question, Brown Mokhotsi is not a member of the ANC. It took me time to go to the records. I went to the branch, even the province. He's not a member of the ANC. He's just going up and down, perambulating among leaders and his proximity. He's not a member. The things that he does and he's proclaimed to have done, he's doing them on his own by impressing few leaders of the ANC who want to be impressed by him. It's got nothing to do with the movement. That time that the ANC is going to be dragged into the mud by characters we don't know, it's over. It's over.
Okay, guys, in the ongoing Madlanga Commission, one of the names that has become so dominant so far in terms of the testimony that has been provided, firstly by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, and General Fani Masimula, the National Police Commissioner, and then Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who's the head of the crime intelligence in the South African Police Services. The name that has been dominant and central, it is the name of Brown Mokhotsi, who has quite some time has proven now that to be a prominent member of the ANC, aligned to the Cyril Ramaphosa's faction. He's the man who funded or even spearheaded the Ramaphosa's campaign in Northwest and the fundraising. So the Secretary General of the ANC, Fikile Mbalula, has responded, but has responded in a most stupid way, saying that Brown Mokhotsi's membership of the ANC has expired. Therefore, that means he's not an ANC member. But that does not dispute the fact that he had the ANC membership. And we know that even after the membership has lapsed, there's what is called a grace period. I was the ANC branch secretary. I handled the ANC membership in my branch. There's what is called a grace period of probably about 3 months after your membership has lapsed. So the fact that Brown Mokhotsi's membership has lapsed, as per what Fikile Mbalula is telling us, and by the way, Fikile Mbalula is a known liar. Fikile Mbalula is a known liar, so we should not take his word for it when he says Brown Mokhotsi's membership has expired. Even if it indeed has expired, it does not refute the fact that Brown Mokhotsi is pulling the strings in the ANC, and Brown Mokhotsi had the membership in the ANC. So just simply disowning him and say that his membership is expired, therefore he cannot be associated with the ANC. Here we are talking about the past events where the evidence has been brought into the fore by the crime intelligence head in the SAPS, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo. So Fikile Mbalula is responding in the most stupid way, but of course it is to be expected of Fikile Mbalula to respond in that way because we know that intellectually and ideologically Fikile Mbalula is challenged. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Khosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the Voice for Africans. Thank you very much, my Africa.